host area nitong makasaysayang pang-apat na State of the Bangsamoro Youth Address o SOBIA ng ating mahal na chairperson. Taus-puso po namin kayong wini-welcome, ahlan wasahlan sa mahalagang aktibidad na ito dito po sa lungsod para sa lahat, lungsod ng Cotabato City. Ang SOBIA po na ito ay plataforma ng komisyon sa pamamagitan ng ating dynamic chairperson upang mailahad po sa ating publiko at komunidad ng ating youth constituency ang mga nagawa, ginagawa at gagawin pa ng ating komisyon sa nakalipas na isang taon mula noong Agosto last year kung saan tayo o kung saan din tayo papunta at mga plano sa susunod pang taon ng ating Bangsamoro Youth Commission.
Kumilos na, tara na, tara na, tara na youth.
As we move towards a more digital future, it is essential to leverage technology for greater good by embracing digitalization as a means to foster sustainable development. We can create more equitable, resilient governance, businesses, and communities. Let us commit to using digitalization not just as a tool for growth, as a foundation for a sustainable future.
Pagka makatao, makadiyos at makakalikasan.
Ang ating involvement sa governance at policy making ay napaka-crucial para sa ating hinaharap. Sa pamamagitan ng pagdalo sa mga government programs, peace-building efforts, leadership training, at community dialogues, maaari nating matugunan ang mga challenges at magdulot ng isang positibong pagbabago. Sama-sama ating iangat ang ating komunidad tungo sa magandang bukas.
Tara na, sama ka, tara na youth at kumilos na, tara na.
This is our time to make a difference. Join the movement at lagi ninyong tatandaan na hindi na tayo ang kinabukasan. Tayo na ang ngayon. At maniniwala ako na together, we can change the world.
Talino ng kabataan.
We as a student leader, we encourage every youth na makisali or mag-join sa mga ganitong klase ng event to gain more knowledge para sa ating Bangsamoro homeland.
Tara na, sama ka, tara na youth at mag-iisa. Tara na, sama ka, tara na youth at kumilos na. Tara na.
This celebration is globally recognized, but in the Bangsamoro region, it holds deeper significance due to the youth critical role in struggle for justice and self-determination amid history of conflict and justice. I recall the wisdom imparted by my late father. If the young generation, who are surely next to administer our people, lack the spirit of jihad and fear to confront our enemy, then they will undoubtedly remain forever under the yoke of oppression and injustice imposed by wrongdoers and tyrants. As we come together to celebrate the incredible strides we have made, we must not forget that the journey is far from over. We are not yet done. Hindi dahil sa mga na-achieve na natin yon, sinasabi okay na ho tayo at comfortable na ho tayo. No, it's far from over. The fate of the Bangsamoro lies on the hands of our young dreamers, and it is our sacred duty to arm them with knowledge, skills, and values they need to steer our region towards a radiant future. Let us rise together on the strong foundations we have built and charge forward with renewed vigor and unyielding determination.
Tara na, sama ka, tara na youth at
Our journey in youth development continues. The BYC, in collaboration with our partners, will intensify efforts to realize our mission of advancing the rights and welfare of the Bangsamoro youth. Dahil pinangako sa puso at paniniwala ang ginhawang para sa kabataan. Dahil naniniwala kami na Kabataang Bangsamoro